Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed colleagues and healthcare professionals, today marks a momentous occasion as we unveil the latest advancement in medical technology, the Doctors LED Headlight with adapter. With precision engineering and cutting-edge design, this innovative tool promises to revolutionize the way we approach medical procedures. As we embark on this journey of unboxing, let us take a moment to appreciate the meticulous craftsmanship and dedication that has gone into creating this indispensable instrument. As the box opens, revealing the sleek and ergonomic design, one can't help but marvel at the attention to detail. The lightweight yet durable construction ensures comfort during long hours of use, while the adjustable headband guarantees a perfect fit for every individual. But it's not just about aesthetics. The true beauty lies in the unparalleled clarity and brightness of the LED light. With customizable intensity settings, we have the power to illuminate even the most intricate surgical sites with unparalleled precision, enhancing our ability to deliver optimal patient care.